Introducing the Youngever Plastic Pie Container, the perfect solution for all your food storage needs. This clear round food storage container is not only versatile but also incredibly convenient. With its unique features and specifications, it will revolutionize the way you store and transport your favorite treats. First and foremost, this plastic pie container offers the best value for your money. It is specifically designed to accommodate up to 10-inch pies, making it the perfect size for most standard pies. With a clear lid, you can easily see what's inside without having to open it. What sets this container apart is its high quality and safe material. Made of durable BPA-free and chlorine-free plastic, you can trust that your food will remain fresh and safe for consumption. The container is designed to prevent moisture loss, ensuring that your pies and cakes stay fresh for longer periods of time. Not only is this container great for pies, but it's also perfect for storing other baked goods such as cookies, cupcakes, donuts, and bagels. Whether you're heading to a party or picnic, this container will securely transport your delicious treats, preventing any accidental messes. The size of this container is a generous 11 inches in diameter and 3 inches in height, providing ample space for your pies and other goodies. It's the perfect size for storing and displaying your baked creations. Before you make a purchase, please note that this product is designed for use in the U.S. International users may require an adapter or converter to use it in their respective destinations. It's always important to check compatibility before making any purchases. When it comes to customer satisfaction, the Youngever Plastic Pie Container has received rave reviews. With a rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars and over 345 ratings, it's clear that customers love the convenience and quality of this product. So why wait? Say goodbye to messy pie transportation and hello to the Youngever Plastic Pie Container. With its exceptional features and durability, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen. Get yours today and experience the joy of hassle-free food storage.